How to fix Netflix sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody. I will show you how to fix sound problem on your Netflix. So let's do it. What you have to do now is to open your settings of your phone. Go click on apps option, search for Netflix and click on it like this. Scroll here down this list, click on storage, click clear cache, and then back, click on force stop and click OK. Come right now to Play Store or App Store and update your Netflix, restart your device, and that's it. So hopefully don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.